Hello, coach. We are going to throw some quick questions your way. We call this segment 100 Seconds with Coach. Short, fun, fast, yet informative. No overthinking, just the first thing that comes to mind.
Sure.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. You should always say what the interviewer wants to hear, even if it's not entirely true.
Oh, well, sometimes the interviewer knows how to trick you. They have decades of experience and they give those googly questions. So beware of such questions and always be true to yourself and the interviewer both. Next, please.
The interviewer has made up their mind within the first few minutes.
Well, not really. First impression is important. But then, over a period of time, as the interview progresses, you'll realize how you have behaved, what you have answered, what has been your attitude, and how fit you are. So it's not necessary that the first impression is the last impression.
You must have all the answers during an interview.
Well, that's practically not possible. As an interviewer, nobody has the answer. Neither interviewer has the answer himself or herself.
You should not ask questions at the end of the interview.
Well, people are scared sometimes. They think that they might be judged. But frankly, I think if you ask a question at the end of the interview, it's actually considered to be very good. It shows that you're interested in the organization and also shows that you've done your research well. So I think asking the last question is important.
Only extroverts perform well in interviews.
Not really. Introverts have very interesting skill sets such as listening, meaningful communication, deep thinking. They can use all these skill sets and have an extraordinary interview and succeed. So not extroverts alone.
That's 100 seconds. Thank you.
Thank you.